The 2023 Ford Ranger pickup vehicle is redesigned. Its front appearance is inspired by the larger F-150. There will be a turbodiesel V6 in some areas, but we expect the American version will have the same turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine and rear-wheel drive as the present Ranger. Optional all-wheel drive and a hybrid powertrain may be added, but the notion of a high-performance Raptor is our favorite. A four-door crew cab and an extended cab with two rear half-doors will be available. The interior gets a similar overhaul, with a huge vertical infotainment system comparable to the Edge SUV. Pricing is ranged from $27,000 to $40,000 based on the trim level you choose. The new Ranger may have a different turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine than the outgoing model, but we doubt it. We've found this engine to be powerful enough to move the mid-size truck around, and we don't expect that to change. Ford claims a turbodiesel V6 will be available in other markets, but not in North America. There's a 6-speed manual and a 10-speed automatic, but we expect Ford to stick with the 10-speed automatic in the US. For 2023, the Ranger comes standard with a 10.1 inches infotainment screen, but tech-savvy purchasers can opt for a 12.1 inches vertically oriented screen. The Ranger's new zone lighting feature switches on lights on the outside of the truck to illuminate a job site or finish setting up camp in the dark. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are likely standards, with optional features including in-dash navigation, B&O Play audio, and SiriusXM satellite radio.